Nag-crash o bumagsak ang isang fighter jet ng Philippine Air Force. Kinumpirma na yan ni Captain Spokesperson Consuelo Castillo. Nasa gitna daw ng tactical night operation ng FA-50 fighter jet. Ibig sabihin, posibleng nagsasagawa ito ng pag-atake sa isang terrorist group. Wala pang buong detalye tungkol sa pagbagsak ng eroplano. Sana lang ay ligtas ang dalawang piloto ng fighter jet. Narito at pakinggan natin ang nakakalungkot na mensahe ng spokesperson ng FAP.
On March 4, 2025, an FA-50 fighter jet went missing during a tactical night operations. The aircraft lost communication with the rest of the flight involved in the mission minutes before reaching the target area. The other aircraft repeatedly attempted to establish contact with the missing aircraft until their return to Mactan, Cebu. The Philippine Air Force is conducting extensive and thorough search operations, utilizing all available resources to locate the missing jet fighter aircraft. Our primary concern right now is the safe return of our aircrew. We are hopeful of locating them and the aircraft soon and ask you to join us in prayer during this critical time. Further details will be provided once they are available. That's all for the Philippine Air Force. Thank you and good morning to everyone.